Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. Now, to get started, you'll want to open up your Contacts application located in the Google folder. From there, once you actually have your contacts open, you can navigate to Fix and Manage, then select Import from SIM. This will display all the contacts that are on your SIM card. Now, chances are you might see some contacts that are deselected. If that is the case, don't worry, those contacts already exist on your phone and it's stopping you from duplicating them. Now from here, typically you would also have a drop-down menu somewhere right here, and you could choose where you want to import contacts to, giving you the option to your device, or as an example, Google account. But I am not logged in on this device to a Google account, so it automatically opts into the device, which is the only option that it has at the moment. So from there, I'll just select import. It then asks if I want to remove the contacts. This is the stupidest question from Google so far. Now, removing contacts from the SIM card is stupid because they never get in your way. You can completely hide them, and having them on your SIM card as a safeguard is a much better option than removing them for no reason, because like I said, they never get in your way. So I'm going to select keep like any other person should, and from there you should see all your contacts in your contacts list. Now, if you had the option to import your contacts to a Google account because you are logged in, then if it's still showing you like one contact or whatever where it looks like it didn't import the contacts, just make sure you click right here where this icon is, and from there you can select the different areas where you can display contacts from. So if you are logged into a Google account, you would see the device, SIM card, and then also your Google account, which when you press on it, it will display contacts that are on your Google account. So you can swap between them. And also, like I mentioned, you don't see your contacts from the SIM card unless you want to, which would be by pressing on the SIM. And if you don't want to see them, you just switch to the device or Google account, and like I said, they don't show at all at this point. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.